What's going on, guys? It's Peter here. Today we're gonna talk about Hamster Kombat, one of the best airdrops ever. And really, it's really great, verified, and you can see their community. They have more than 52 million subscribers, which is really great. So let's get into it, and I want to show you how to get free keys. As you know, guys, nowadays Hamster Kombat is wasting our times. If you go to playground and you can see there are too many games. You can see Tour Race, Merge Away, My Clone Army, Chain Cube 2048, Train Miner, Bike Rider 3D. All of them get your time. So you have to waste your time. It takes over 4 or 5 or 6 hours a day if you want to do all of the games, okay? So it's completely waste of your time. So I have a new strategy, a new plan for you. So I suggest you to use this great robot, this great bot on Telegram, which can help you to get free keys. Free keys, so easy. So just you have to go to the bot and hit the generate button, and this bot generate keys for you. It takes about less than 5 minutes for every game you want to generate keys. So you have to generate 4 keys for every game. So you can open the bot in the background and do your work and get back to the bot and get free keys. So absolutely no waste of time if you use this bot. I will show you what is that bot, okay? So the bot is this free hamster key bot. So if you want the bot link, please guys, check the description. I put the bot link in the description and hamster link in the description, so you will find it and you can do it. So just click on start and you can see this. If you click on start, you can see use commands like bike, train, clone, cube, merge to work. So you can do this. You can command the bot. For example, I would choose bike. So here are command bike. You can see here your promo code for bike. Even less than 1 minute. Guys, you can see less than 1 minute for every game you generate 4 keys. I just command train and you can see I got 4 train keys, 4 free train keys. So you can use these codes only once, and after that the game says code doesn't exist, okay? So you cannot use it twice or 3 times in a row, okay? So just you have to use a code once, and you can of course open the game, open the bot. You can open the bot and you can see here there are 6 games here, and you can choose every game you want. For example, I choose Chain Cube 2048 and just click on generate, and you can see it's generating keys, and I just have to wait for some minutes, 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes always. It took about 5 minutes. I will get back to the bot and get my free generated keys. And you can also use command in the bot. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please, if you like it, like and subscribe us. Also, Hamster Kombat has another game here, mini game. If you do the game, so you have to get a key. It's a pretty easy game, and also there are a lot of cards available for you, so you can always check specials and new cards for new cards to upgrade. Always upgrade new cards, always upgrade your best cards you want, so you will get more profit per hour. So the most important thing in the game is profit per hour. But there are some more factors in the game. There are more achievements you have to do. You have to get more achievements to get more airdrops, more hamster token airdrops, and I will show you how. Just click on here your skin and then click on achievements, and you can see here upgrade cards. So you have to upgrade more than 500 cards. If you upgrade 500 cards, you will get this achievement. If you upgrade more than 200 cards, you will get that achievement. If you upgrade more than 50 cards, you will get that achievement. You still have time to do this. Upgrade cards to level 15. You can see I have upgraded more than 50 cards to level 15. So this is completed. You can see here it's completed. But the most difficult thing maybe in the game is upgrade cards to level 25. You can see here you have to upgrade 50 cards to level 25, which is really difficult. So collect coins. You don't have to collect coins to your balance. If you use the coins, if you purchase anything you want with coins, if you use your coins for upgrading, if you pay coins for cards, for skins, so you get more coins and you can get here the achievement of 15 billion coins. Invite friends, so you have to invite more than 100 friends to get maximum level and best achievement ever. And also you can unlock skins. Always unlock cheap skins with best price to purchase, for example 1 million or 10 million or 20 million is great. You have to unlock 50 skins. Okay, and profit per hour, one of the most important thing in the game. Also, you have to go to 3 million coins for your profit per hour to get the best achievement for profit per hour. And also profit per hour will produce more coins for you, and you can buy more cards and more skins and more valuable items in the game. And also don't forget to watch Hamster YouTube videos and subscribe to Hamster Telegram. So if you have subscribed for 200 days to their Telegram, so you will get the best achievement. Also unlock special cards. Some cards here, rescue team. I don't have that unfortunately, but some special cards you get in the special button and new cards, and they are limited. And just for example, if you don't buy within 24 hours or within 48 hours, for example, if you don't buy that card within 48 hours, so you can lose it, you will lose it. You can see here missed opportunities. I have lost save hamster from drawing, and this is that rescue card, and you can see it's expired. I have lost and missed. I have missed 6 special cards, which is not good. So you can see I can get back to the key generator bot, and there we go, guys. I got 4 key codes, 4 codes 4 codes for cube game. So I just have to copy it and here get back to Hamster and go to keys and just paste. If you paste it and then click on redeem, but you can see too many requests because I just have received all of my keys just by this beautiful bot. It's a lovely bot, guys. Don't forget to use this bot for your keys. You can get free keys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. I will show you best strategies to get free airdrops to make money online. Every day we are teaching you best ways to earn money online. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies and other ways to earn money online, so please make sure to subscribe. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.
Perfect.